Hey everyone, this is your quick update on the biggest headlines in Mzansi. Here's what we need to know so far. So guys, in a new twist to the Thabo Bester escape saga, Nandipha Makutumane's father, Zolile Sekeleni, claims that powerful people were involved in the plot. He insists that his daughter is being used as a scapegoat. Authorities say Nandipha allegedly arranged the decoy body that was brought into the Mangaung Correctional Center and set alight. Her father is also facing charges related to the vehicle used to transport the body, but he is out on 10,000 rands bail. Sekeleni claims the trial has been extremely stressful to his family. He also says that although Nandipha is seen chatting with Bester in court, she actually fears him. Sekeleni plans to plead not guilty when the trial resumes in July next year. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.